Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl KiKi coming at you with another video. And as you could see, it is snowing. Oh my God, you guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to look at, not necessarily to drive in. Just came back from the grocery store. A lot of times in the fall and the winter, I like to make really hearty meals like soups and pastas. And I picked up a bunch of great ingredients to make chili. So that's what we're going to be making. This is my first cooking video. It's not going to be so totally formal, but I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of some of the, no pun intended, of some of the stuff that I make. And let me know how you like it. This video is going to be on the easiest 1-pot 3-bean chili that you'll ever make in your life. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we're going to get started. We have 1 medium onion cut up. And we're just going to throw that in the pan. I have some butter in the pan, as well as olive oil. So we have let the onion saute for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put the ground turkey in. If you're looking for a more vegetarian option, obviously you can omit this. So the meat is browned up, so we're going to add the spices. And I'm just going to read the spices off as I put them in. A little bit of thyme, oregano, ground savory, parsley, basil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, marjoram, rosemary, a lot of cumin. The cumin will give it that smoky taste. A little bit of Old Bay, a little salt, and we use sea salt, just a little bit. Some pepper, so we have ground pepper, so I'm going to put that in a little later because it's hard to do that with one hand. And just mix that in. And then I have the last thing, which are 2 bay leaves, and just drop them in. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a 3-bean chili. So the beans that we're using are pinto, black, and kidney beans. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare the beans that come from the can. Very, very simple. I have all my cans opened up. And as you can see, we're making a very big pot of chili. All you gotta do is pour it into a strainer. Kidney, black beans. Put some cool water on and just rinse your beans. That's all you gotta do. Rinse your beans. They come with like this gross starchy stuff on it. So just rinse it off. And then after you rinse them off, throw them in the pan. We have our beans in the pan. Our turkey, our ground turkey has been cooking with the spices. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. What I got at the store today was crushed tomatoes, stewed, diced, and got a little tomato paste. So basically, just pour it in. Stewed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and I got the ones that have the seasoning in it. So we got basil, garlic, and oregano. That'll just give you extra flavor. So that's why I got those. Last thing we got was tomato paste, and this will just make your stew, chili, soup, whatever you're making thicker. This is the last step. So I've already stirred up all the beans and tomatoes and stuff like that. So now we're going to add some stock. If you're a vegetarian, of course, you can add vegetable stock. But we're going to add turkey stock just because I use ground turkey. So what I say is just add it until it kind of covers everything. We already have the heat up on high. We're going to stir this up, bring it to a boil. And then once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it back down, put the lid on, and then let it simmer. And I'll come back in a couple hours and just check on it, and then you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is just a mommy tip. If you got babies or children that won't eat vegetables, this is the best way to add them. So what I'm going to do is put carrots in here, especially for my 1-year-old. And I'm telling you, y'all, they will never notice the difference. Chopped up about 6 carrots And I'm just gonna drop them in there. So that's a mommy tip for you, a free mommy tip. We are halfway done, y'all, and it is smelling so good. So good. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up for you guys so you can see everything. And this is why we cook it for at least 3 hours. Like, you could let it simmer all day, but you can let it cook for at least 3 hours, and it just brings all those flavors and spices together. And this is what you end up with. So stir it up a little bit just to make sure, because you know the beans are starchy and you don't want them to stick to the bottom of the pan. So make sure you, or the pot. So make sure you go all the way down and bring it up. Go all the way down and bring it up. And in literally just that little bit of time, everything is thickened up. It's darkened up. The cumin smells really good. All the spices are melding together. So this is going to be good, you guys. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. If you are, please give us a like. We'd really appreciate it because I really want to make you guys some more cooking videos. We are at the last part of the chili. It's all cooked. It's all done. If you notice, I added these great little green things in here. You know me, I love adding veggies into food so that the children can eat healthier. A bag of spinach. All I did was put it in the freezer and crunch it up, and then we're just going to pour it in. And the amount is really up to you, but all you have to do is pour it in and stir it in, and then you guys will be ready to eat, and it is done. But of course, you know, if you're making a more traditional chili, you can leave it out. But this is just a mommy hack for you guys. And that is it. So we are going to put this in the bowl. The kids are going to give this a taste test. And that is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Y'all, look at this snow. It's crazy. Very first fall winter up north, and the snow is coming down crazy, and it's been coming down like this since about 9 o'clock. Like, literally it struck 9:02 and bam, it started coming down crazy. Oh my god, y'all, look. It's crazy. Look at this. And it's only, what time is it?
11:45.
It's only 11:45, so it's been snowing for a little less than 3 hours. That's crazy.